Hi, this is Jim, and I'm the New Hampshire rock guy, and we're out on another one of my mining adventures. Wow, look at this spar here. It's just falling out of the mine walls, and there's so much more to see. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel all 6 sides of the tourmaline crystal. What would be west into the Connecticut River Valley and the mountains of Vermont.
World-class beryl crystals, both aquamarine and golden.
If you look hard enough, you'll find something it's facing.
Yeah. Get ready for a fantastic journey of this incredible mine. Hey, greetings. It's Jim Pecora, the rock guy, and we've got a special installment of our YouTube channel here, Pecora's Mica Mine Schoolhouse, about the lapidary arts and a little bit about minerals, local and international. And we're set up here at the home of the New England Mineral Museum, which is moved into storage currently at South Ackworth, New Hampshire, and just a beautiful, beautiful setting. And we're excited to bring you this information today. So let's get right into it. We've got a lot to cover. I wanted to just start with some raw rocks, okay? So this is what you would find within a mine on a tailings pile, and here it is cut. This happens to be a very high-grade feldspar that's known as perthite, and we have in this display here, perthite is this unit right here. Now I know that's a small one. Perthite is white albite, which is a plagioclase feldspar, in with microcline, which is your K-spar, potassium spar feldspars. Feldspars are a very complicated mineral, but beautiful for jewelry. But in these non-traditional colors like tan and taupe and cream. We also have a salmon colored spar. Matter of fact, I've got a piece of that at the end. Well, might as well just get it now. This is salmon spar. This happens to be from New York State. It's got some smoky quartz in it, which gives it a nice definition. And I don't know if we'll pick this up, but there's a Schiller effect. The reflection, the same effect is what gives moonstone its cool look. That's a feldspar. Labradorite, that's a feldspar as well. So, the other item we have here today, I don't know what it looks like inside. And to me, that's the great part about it being a lapidarist, is getting something like this, buying it, whatever. In the case of this particular one, I know how I got it, but anyway, cutting these up, they're thunder eggs, which means that they're solid inside. They're not like a hollow geode. A geode would be hollow inside with the crystals, great crystals. So these are going to be solid most likely. So that's a thunder egg, and these are typically from Oregon. So part of what the museum's doing, and I don't have a perfect example of that, but we're trying to show what the minerals look like rough coming out of the ground, and the process of the lapidary arts of cutting a slab, then cutting blanks from that slab, shaping, and finally making it into jewelry, either through wire wrap or something like this, if the stone's just too beautiful to be wrapped. So this is a very common discarded stone from one of the mines, and to me it's just absolutely beautiful on the inside. So again, it's a stone that you can go find, and we're hoping eventually, and within the next year or two, to have a couple of lapidary centers where folks can pay to go learn how to do the cutting, shaping, and polishing. Now this particular stone, it's really kind of fun and unique because it's almost like 2 stones in one. What we've got on this side, and I don't know if the light is reflecting through, but this is a smoky quartz, and on this side it's got a beautiful, beautiful pattern. Now this is dry. I'm going to add some water and you'll see the difference. I'll bring it right back. Look at that. So water simulates the polishing process, okay? So if you want to see what something would look like polished, you can just simply add water. And from this smoky quartz side, we have this beautiful pendant right here, was made from the Smoky Quartz side, and it's curved in three different areas. So it's a beautiful, unique stone, and it also has translucency. If you can see that beautiful little vein of lighter quartz. So since I have this in hand, all the rest of these are from our world famous Burro Mountain, which I am looking at, if the leaves weren't on the trees, directly behind us here. And Burro Mountain was famous for hundreds of years for its mineral specimens. And all you ever hear talked about is, in the quartz family, is certainly your white quartz, rose quartz, smoky quartz. But people don't often talk about some of the other colors that you're seeing here. So again, this is pineapple. This one here, that's the feldspar. This is apricot, and this one here is called lemon chiffon, because it's got the white, like the topping. This beautiful white snow quartz is from Burro Mountain, and as well this snow quartz peats at the end. This one here is graphic granite, and it's a local rock, and it's feldspar and smoky quartz. But also from Burro Mountain, oh, no, sorry, graphic granite, let's stay right there. This is a slab, so the rock came in, got cut on both sides, and usually, unfortunately, it usually breaks at the end, so you do get, this nub, so you either have to cut it flat with a trim saw, or you just cut it off. But this also, can you tell me if the camera's seeing the sheen? It's in certain areas.
Oh,
Yeah?
yeah.
There? So anyway, it's got beautiful sheen, and sometimes the smoky quartz can look like runic lettering. Runic is a very old lettering from Europe, but I think northern Europe. So back to Burro Mountain, and these different colors. What we have here is Milky Quartz. Milky Quartz has a translucency to it. Now, if I just go like that, can the camera catch the light coming? Well, the light will illuminate all three of these, but it comes through easier. This is snow quartz, just pure white snow quartz at Burro Mountain. And this is our newest find, and I'm just very, very excited about this. Because in certain pieces, I kept being told by others, oh, that's just rust staining inside of the quartz. But when I polished these just recently, there's a real translucency to these stripes. So it truly is another version of quartz with its own color. And as a lapidarist, I get naming rights. So I'm the one that's named apricot, pineapple, lemon chiffon. My wife came up with lemon chiffon. So anyway, once you cut, shape, do anything to a stone, because there's many different steps. So it could even just cleaning a stone, you are allowed to rename it. So done with Burro Mountain on that tray, and let me take some of these away. I want to pull this tray up closer. What's cool here, this is a local rock. This is from the Wise Mine in Westmoreland, and it's quartz, but this is rust-stained quartz. So you can see how somebody could confuse what I just showed you of this particular quartz as rust-stained, but it's through and through its own little mineral in there. So as part of the lapidary arts, I will often cut surfaces to have a better presentation, and then I cut the bottom and apply little legs, and it just makes for a nice little bookend type piece, or a bookshelf type piece. So we do a lot of that. This right here I might as well go into, because we've also got some here. This is from Slaughter Mountain in Arizona, and it's called fire. Well, people that are dealing with this material are looking for fire agate, and if you don't find the fire, which is a beautiful multicolored orb, this is just the fire agate matrix. So I sliced it up and got an order for making some cufflinks out of piece is a little bit smaller than that, but with these natural edges. This is a similar piece, but from North Dakota, the Black Mountains, and I just got this from one of my fellow digger. I don't dig like him, but Adam Fife, who's out in the mountains quite frequently finding new mineral finds. So to stick with the fire agate, these here are all in the process of being polished. They are not finished. So if we wanted to see again something like this, as it might look polished, let me wet it.